going on, everybody? Dan the Man here with Crow Creations. So today I actually gotta get these all ground down. This one I already took care of, but I rough cut them, obviously with the plasma cutter. I gotta take and clean them all up with the grinder. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a time lapse of that now. Still not the absolute prettiest, but they're all ground up. I gotta clean up the inside of this, and I'm gonna call it a night. Alright, that's all done. I got that all ground out and fit into those little pockets so that way I can weld them in. I think I'm going to leave these bolt holes like this. I'm not sure. We'll see how it looks once it's welded in. But they're going to get covered with big washers anyway when I'm all done. Anyway, it's getting there. I don't want to annoy the neighbors anymore, but I'll clean these up tomorrow and get them all welded up so that way I can move forward with getting the actual height on this correct, because there is a lift on it. I need it to be good for my pinion angle and everything. Thank you for watching Crow Creations. I'm Dan the Man. Hopefully I can get this all welded up tomorrow. That would be kind of nice. This has been more of the Jeep skid plate that's taken way too long. Don't forget to like this video. Hopefully everything will get moving along a lot sooner. You're probably staring at my crotch. Thanks for watching. I'm Dan the Man. Have a good evening, everybody. Oh. Metal covered rag. This car needs to get cleaned anyway.